I'm going to take all the rusty bolts off the slats of the bench and put them in an old jar and cover them in vinegar to try and de-rust them. As you can see, they're full of rust. So I'll pop them in there, leave them overnight and see what happens. Okay, all the bolts are in there, so I'm going to fill up with vinegar. I'm using white wine vinegar. I believe apple cider vinegar is the best, but this is all I've got, so we'll give it a go, see how we get on. Just put the lid on, make sure it's tight, give everything a bit of a shake, agitate it, and then I'll leave it. If I remember to, I'll come back and shake it a few more times over the hours. These are the nuts and bolts from the garden bench. A few days ago I put them in white wine vinegar. I'm going to see what it looks like now. Wrap them up in this old used cloth. Wet all the white wine vinegar. Just take a look at those. Excellent. I mean, look at that. Compared to what they were, they're in fantastic condition now. See the nuts. Really pleased. So what I'm going to do now is use some petroleum jelly. I'm going to just take a big scoop of it, put it on the old cloth that I was using, and I'm going to get each one of these bolts and just cover them in the petroleum jelly, just to make sure that they don't rust again. Just give them some sort of protection. Not going overboard, just literally giving them a coating.